The Holy Mahakumbh, being held from 13th January to 26th February 2025 at Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh, India. Let us know about some fascinating history, glory, and significance of this Mahakumbh 2025. An aerial glimpse of Mahakumbh 2025. Kumbh is a Sanskrit word that means pitcher or pot. The belief is that when Devas and Asuras churned the ocean, Dhanvantari emerged carrying a pitcher of Amrita, or the elixir of immortality. To deny the Asuras from the Amrita, Indra's son Jayant ran off with the pot. As Jayant ran, the Amrita spilt at 4 spots: Haridwar, Prayagraj, Ujjain, and Nashik, Trambakeshwar. He ran for 12 heavenly days, and as one heavenly day of the Devas is equal to 1 year of humans, Kumbh Mela is celebrated at these locations every 12 years, based on the relative positions of the Sun, the Moon, and the Jupiter. Prayagraj and Haridwar also held the Ardha Kumbh, Ardha means half, every 6 years. The festival held after 12 years is called the Purna Kumbh or the Mahakumbh. The astronomical and astrological positions of the Sun, the Moon, and the Jupiter defines the exact spiritual holy moment of the celebration. The science of astronomy, astrology, spirituality, ritualistic traditions, and socio-cultural customs and practices set the tone of Kumbh Mela, an occasion to gather knowledge and enhance wisdom. When Jupiter enters Aquarius zodiac sign and the Sun enters the Aries zodiac sign, Kumbh festival is held at Haridwar. In Haridwar, Uttarakhand, it is held on the bank of river Ganges. Kumbh festival is held at Ujjain, first in the event of entry of Jupiter in Leo and entry of Sun in Aries. Once again, when Jupiter enters in Libra and Sun and Moon remain together on Kartik Amavasya, then Kumbh festival is held at Ujjain. At Ujjain, Madhya Pradesh, the festival is held on the bank of the river Shipra. Kumbh festival is held at Nashik, Maharashtra, on the banks of river Godavari under 2 circumstances. First is when the Jupiter enters the Leo, and the second is when Jupiter, Sun, and Moon enters in Cancer on lunar conjunction, that is on Amavasya, last day of the dark half of a month. In Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh, the Kumbh Mela is held at the confluence of the river Ganges, the Yamuna, and the mythical invisible river Saraswati. When the Jupiter enters in Aries circle and the entrance of Sun and the Moon occurs in Capricorn, and also in the event of entrance of Sun in Capricorn and entrance of Jupiter in Taurus. Prayagraj, earlier named as Allahabad, is a spiritual place and holds an important role in our mythology and geography. The famous Triveni Sangam, the sacred confluence of the river Ganges, Yamuna, and the mythical Saraswati River, is considered one of the holiest sites and is located at Prayagraj. Spirituality seeking persons, sadhus, saints, and Naga sadhus who practice sadhana take part in the Kumbh Mela. Hermits live their seclusion and visit the civilization only during this Kumbh Mela. Ceremonies such as the traditional procession of akharas called Peshwai on elephant backs, horses, and chariots with shining swords on hand, and rituals of Naga sadhus during Shahi Snan and many other cultural activities attract millions of pilgrims to attend the Kumbh Mela. This year 2025, the Maha Kumbh Mela is being organized at Prayagraj from January 13, 2025 to February 26, 2025.
My dear sisters and brothers, we believe that you have enjoyed the content and has definitely pressed the like button, shared the video with many friends and relatives, and submit comments to get ideas and inspiration for our next video. If you are new to the channel, shall certainly subscribe to the channel, if not already done, by pressing the bell button to get notification on subsequent releases. Please continue to stay in good health and humor. Thank you for your continued support.